Could the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, harbor life? This question has intrigued us for centuries, sparking numerous debates, theories, and space missions. While the moon's inhospitable environment has long been a roadblock, recent advancements in space exploration have reignited our hopes. Enter China's Chang'e 5 mission, a significant leap towards unraveling the moon's secrets. Launched in November 2020, this ambitious lunar exploration mission has brought us one step closer to answering the age-old question. With its successful return in December the same year, Chang'e 5 came bearing gifts, precious lunar samples that have the potential to rewrite our understanding of the moon. These samples, studied meticulously by researchers, have revealed a groundbreaking discovery: water on the moon. Yes, you heard that right. Water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it, exists on our moon. A discovery that has set the scientific community buzzing with excitement and anticipation. Stay tuned as we unravel the findings of the Chang'e 5 mission and what it means for the possibility of life on the moon. Launched in November 2020, China's Chang'e 5 mission was a landmark lunar exploration. This mission's main objective was to collect lunar samples and bring them back to Earth. A feat of this magnitude had not been achieved in over 4 decades, making this an ambitious endeavor for China's space exploration program. The Chang'e 5 mission involved a series of complex processes, each critical to its success. The mission began with the launch of the Chang'e 5 probe from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site, soaring into the vast expanse of space aboard a long March 5 Y-5 rocket. After a successful launch, the probe embarked on its journey to the moon, landing on its surface in the northern Oceanus Procellarum near Mons Rumker. Once the landing module touched the lunar surface, it set about its primary task: collecting samples. Using advanced scientific payloads including a lunar mineralogical spectrometer and a lunar regolith penetrating radar, the Chang'e 5 probe gathered approximately 1,731 grams of lunar samples. The probe collected these samples using a combination of drilling for subsurface samples and scooping for surface samples. Following the successful collection of samples, the ascender module lifted off from the lunar surface, carrying the precious cargo. It docked with the orbiter returner in lunar orbit, transferring the samples to the return capsule. After this, the ascender deorbited and crashed into the moon's surface as planned. The orbiter returner module then embarked on its journey back to Earth, carrying the lunar samples. It successfully entered the Moon-Earth Hohmann transfer orbit and returned to Earth, with the return capsule landing in Inner Mongolia. This marked the successful completion of the mission, making China the third country to return lunar samples to Earth, following the United States and the Soviet Union. The Chang'e 5 mission was not just a success, but a revelation. It marked a significant milestone in lunar exploration and opened up new possibilities for future missions. The samples collected will not only enhance our understanding of the moon, but also shed light on the mysteries of the solar system. The Chang'e 5 mission indeed was a leap forward in our quest to explore the universe. The Chang'e 5 mission made a groundbreaking discovery: water on the moon. This wasn't just a hunch or a theory, but a tangible finding. The mission's lunar lander detected water molecules trapped inside 117 minuscule glass beads, all collected from the lunar surface. This is the first time that on-site evidence of water has been found on the moon. It's a game changer. This water, however, isn't like the water we're familiar with on Earth. The concentration was less than 120 parts per million, making the moon's surface significantly drier than our home planet. But it's water nonetheless. And this discovery can revolutionize our understanding of the moon. Why is this so important, you might ask? Well, water is the key to life. Not only is it essential for human survival, but it can also be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, two elements that can be used to produce fuel and breathable air. This means the presence of water could significantly aid future human exploration and perhaps even habitation of the moon. This discovery opens a new chapter in lunar exploration. The discovery of water on the moon has far-reaching implications. This revelation opens up a realm of possibilities for future human exploration of the moon. Water is a vital resource. It's essential for life as we know it. But beyond that, it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen, two elements that could be used to produce fuel and breathable air. Thus, the presence of water on the moon could potentially transform it into a pit stop for further space exploration. Moreover, this discovery could revolutionize our understanding of the moon and space exploration as a whole. For decades, the moon was thought to be a barren and waterless world. But, with this discovery, we are forced to rethink our assumptions. We now know that even in the harsh conditions of the lunar surface, water can exist. The Chang'e 5 mission has unveiled a new chapter in our understanding of our celestial neighbor. It has shown us that the moon is not just a lifeless rock orbiting our planet, but a world with its own secrets waiting to be uncovered. The Chang'e 5 mission has not only made a significant discovery, but also ignited a spark for future space explorations.